I recently launched my fourth product on Amazon, and it's been a hell of a journey, but I'm finally seeing the fruits of my labor. We went from 2 weeks ago, no sales at all, to now my best day is 15 units a day. The last 2 days have been 10, and it's been going up, and it's so exciting to see it go up and up. I've got a plan to go from 10 units a day to 20, maybe even 30, estimated 4 to 5 grand a month in profit. I mean, it's the same thing that I used on my girlfriend's products. In January, she had nothing on Amazon, not a product, not a sale. And in the last 30 days, she's done 23 grand in sales, about $7,000 in profit. I think I've got a screenshot open right here. I found this product in the craziest way. I was just using a product that I use almost every day. But since I started selling on Amazon, I've developed this mindset. Every time I look at a product and run into a problem with one, something I can't do, something that does broken, I try and figure out how to fix it. So at first I didn't really care this much. It's not that big a problem. But then it kept bothering me every day when I use it. So I finally found a solution. I thought of something and it just hit me. And so then I went on Amazon and saw if that was there. And 90% of the time, this doesn't go anywhere. Either the product already exists or the market is just too small for it to make any sense at all to sell that product. But this product was none of those. This product, the big market for it is over $500,000 a month, maybe even $1 million. And on top of that, there are 11,000 searches, people searching for this product every single month on Amazon, and it does not exist. It does not exist. All I did was take one little piece out of this product and just sell that one piece individually. And that has 11,000 searches a month. But everybody was afraid to do it, or nobody had thought to do it, I guess, probably because the product is patented. So the whole product itself is patented, but this one little piece is not. And it's a super cheap product. My entire cost is $2 a unit. And that includes air shipping to the US. It's a tiny product. It's this big. It's half the size of your cell phone. It's very small. But the cool thing is I could have done this with very little money. If I would have just bought 300 units instead of the 2,000 I decided to buy, any of you could have done this for probably $1,500, including pictures and everything, if you were broke and had to bootstrap. Since I've got the money to do it and go all the way, I did that. I spent $5,000, maybe $6,000 on this product, but you didn't have to buy 2,000 units, and you didn't have to use the most expensive photographer I've ever used. You could have done it a lot simpler. I ran into issues where this product took me 2 months longer than it should have. Generally, 3 months is how long I want to launch a product in, but this one took me 5 months. And the reason is, and it seems to happen on a lot of these, this is getting really real with you guys. When I find a new product on Amazon, I see the money behind it, I see what it could be, and I get super excited and I start going hardcore on it, just working my butt off, getting samples, talking to suppliers. I had 5 samples from 5 different factories for this product because I was having one little issue with it. After a month, maybe 2 months of working on a product, I lose steam. I'm just not as excited about it as I used to be. So I know, yes, I get this product out, there will be money, but I just lose some excitement. And so that causes me to stop pushing, and I get distracted on all the other stuff I've got going on, and it takes me longer than it should. But it doesn't have to be like that. It could have been better. I've got a very clear-cut plan to go from 10 units a day up to 20, maybe even 30. See, right now, I know that I am not ranked well for a lot of keywords. I went through using Helium 10 and found every single keyword that people search for to buy this product. And there was exactly 11,800 people searching every single month for this product using all the different keywords. There's like 40 different ones. And I can see how well I'm ranked on all of those right now. And here's just a few of the keywords. Right now, you can see that for the top keyword, I'm already ranked page one. Awesome. But there's all these other keywords here that I'm barely even ranked for. Look at this third keyword. I'm not even ranked for this keyword. You can go to page 10 and I'm not even showing up. And this is simply because Amazon doesn't know my product's relevant yet. So I'm going to take all the keywords that I'm not ranked than the top 5 results. I'm going to start running some advertising for them, specifically on those keywords. And when Amazon sees, wow, this guy's ads work a lot better than everyone else who advertises on this word because he actually has the correct product and so gets a lot more purchases, Amazon's going to start pushing me up. And I'm not going to be not indexed at all. I'm just going to start moving up, and I should be able to get to the top 3 for every single keyword, every single one. Now, here's the current breakdown. You can see that there are those 11,800 searches a month for this product. I'm only on page 1 for 58% of those. And my product's only showing up in the top 5%, the top 5 results for 25% of those keywords. Think about it. If there's a world where every single person doesn't go past result 5, which how often do you go past the first 5 or 10 results on Amazon? Not too often. In that situation, I would be able to 4x my sales. I'd go from 10 units a day to 40, and I'd be making crazy money on this product. So right here's the actual profit breakdown. Right now, I'm not making a lot of money, but that's going to change real fast. I just got to give it some time. I noticed with my girlfriend's products, it took 4 weeks, 6 weeks, or even 2 months for a product to get all the way up to its peak to level out. And the sales at that point slow down, and they either stay steady or they increase at a slower rate. I'm only 2 weeks into that period. So I've just got a long ways to go. I want to launch my product at a very low price. It's way lower than it should be right now, but I'm launching it low because it's going to get more people to buy. And the faster people start buying my product, the faster Amazon's going to rank it better in the search results. So we did something similar with my girlfriend's products. One of her products went from $20 launch price to $30. That's a 50% increase. But guess what? She's still selling very well and making a lot of money on that product. And we did that with all her products, 30, 40, 50% price increases after they were ranked well. So I'm only making this $3 profit a unit, and I still got to pay for advertising. I'm spending like $20 a day in advertising. But once this first 4 weeks is over, I'm probably going to turn off advertising completely. I'll already be ranked on page 1 for every keyword. I won't be spending any money on that. And I'm going to jack my price up. I'm going to go from $10 to $14.99. And in that case, on a $2 product, I'm going to be making $7.50 in profit. And people are going to keep buying. This is a monopoly right now. I am the only one with this product. If they don't want to buy mine, their only option is to not buy it. So given that fact, and the fact that it's already way cheaper than I think it's worth, I don't think we're going to have any issues selling this product at $15. It's totally a fair price. And we're going to be turning $2. Just think about this. We're going to be turning $2 into $7.50 product. We are like 4xing our money from $2 to $9.50 total. That's crazy. That's crazy. But that's what happens when you find a gold mine like this, when you find something really good. If I even just get from 10 units a day to 20 units a day at my $15 price point, that's $4,500 a month in profit on this product. And if things go really well and I get pushed up ranking for some bigger keywords, it starts moving 30, 40 units a day, I could be making 30 units a day. That's going to put me at $6,000, over $6,000 a month profit. Just for a product that costs $2, it's crazy. So that's my plan, is to run advertising on each keyword I'm not ranked for, and then have Amazon realize that I have the right product and get me ranked there. That's it. I mean, there are 12,000 searches a month. If just 1 out of every 12 people wants to buy this product and actually does, That's 1,000 purchases a month for me. That puts me at $7,500 a month in profit on one product. That is almost twice what I made at my old job. Twice. Probably about 160% of what I made at my college job on this product. Finding a product with this many searches a month that literally doesn't exist, it's very rare. But if you're having a hard time understanding the mindset of picking a winning product and what you should be looking for, you might be interested in checking out my Amazon course. It's 8 hours of content, and we now have a package that includes mentorship if you want to work one-on-one with me on some video calls. If not, let me leave you with a free video where I show you a winning product and how to pick it. You're going to see an actual example. Click that right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.